All right, welcome back. Hey, let's get this thing started. It's that time of year to do some price predictions. And right now we're in the midst of the crypto crash of 2022. And I bet you're looking at this Decentraland profile and you're saying to yourself, is he crazy? No, I've said in many other videos that this is a buying opportunity. And folks, if we look at the year to date, it looks bad, right? Look at this. It looks like we were $3 and here we are all the way down here at $2, hovering around $2. And I want to show you something that's special here. If we look at the last 3 months, let's look at the last 3 months. We can see that we hit a high point of about $4 back in November, and it was about to be December. But there's a profile that is starting to emerge if we look at the entire lifespan. Look at this. Look how we've got this little hump here in 2021. It started off a nice big run up in 2021. And then we had like $1.40 high. It came back down, and here we hit this lull in May. That lull lasted for about 5 months. And then it shot up like crazy in October because of the metaverse news. My prediction is that we're going to have something similar happen, and it's going to be after the tax season. Okay? You're going to have the same catalyst as we had in 2021. There will be some talk about the metaverse. There will be some talk about the regulatory guidance that has come out. And when people realize that it's not going to be as bad as everybody thinks it's going to be, I'm predicting that we're going to have a lull from now for about 5 months. Okay? 5 months. Here we are in January. Count it up. Okay, so that puts us at February, March, April, May, June. Somewhere in the June, July timeframe, all of a sudden, we're going to hear some more metaverse stuff. The whole thing's going to kick itself off again, and we're going to see the same kind of rise that we see here at $1.40 all the way up to $4 and some change. Alexa, what is 4 divided by 1.4?
4 divided by 1.4 is approximately 2.8571.
Call it what you will. 3 times on your money. 3 times on your money you could have made in 2021, maybe even more if you caught the run. But I'm expecting the same kind of thing for Decentraland from this $2 point. So I'm going to go ahead and call it from where we are now. I think we can hit an $8 Decentraland by close of business 2022. Hope you guys have enjoyed this analysis, this price prediction. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.